Dear friends, today's topic is bird's beak according to the foot and animal teeth. Now here is the beak of the golden eagle to tear and eat the meat. Let's look into the beak of the golden eagle in detail. Meat eater, owls and birds of prey such as this golden eagle have powerful, deeply hooked beaks. It is very strong with sharp cutting edges to tear into prey and slice through skin or flesh. Now beaks to make holes in wood and tree trunks. Actually, the woodpecker finds its food in the bark of the tree trunk. Usually we think that the woodpecker makes the tuck tuck sound to make its home, but actually it is for some other reasons. Let's look into the next slide. The most common reason woodpeckers use their beaks to create holes in trees is that they are looking for food. Woodpeckers eat the insect larvae that are found beneath the surface of tree bark. Some, like the yellow-bellied sapsucker, drills its trees to feed on sap as well as any bugs caught in the tree sap. So we can summarize that the woodpecker will be in search of its food, like the insect larvae or the sap or the bugs present under the surface of the tree bark. Now the beaks to suck nectar from flowers. Now though the bird is very small, the beak is long with the suckers. Okay, then nectar is present deep inside the flower. So in order to make the nectar available, God has created the bird with a long beak, so that once it places its beak at the inside of the flower, then it can suck the nectar very easily. So here the beak is modified to suck nectar from flowers. Dear friends, today's topic is bird's beak according to the foot and animal teeth. Birds like ibis, curlew, snipe and godwit have long slender bills that are used to probe into mud and shallow water for worms, crustaceans and insects. Spear-beaked birds like herons, ergots and kingfishers have spear-shaped bills adapted for fishing. Beaks to break and crush the seeds. Now usually the birds do not swallow the seeds. What they do is they crush the seeds and grains to make it soft before eating. For example, a pigeon, even if we just throw a putana that is very soft, it might be soft for us, but for the bird it is hard. It will just prick with its beak, then it will crush it into two, then it has it. Okay, so the birds like sparrow and pigeon have short and hard beak. They use it for crushing seeds and grains to make it soft before eating. They have small beaks, but they are strong beaks. The sparrow and the pigeon have very short beaks. Here beaks are also used to cut and eat many kinds of food. Animal teeth. We are going to learn about the teeth of different animals. Now here are the teeth of cow. Cows have short front teeth for snipping the grass. The teeth on the sides are large and flat for chewing the grass. Cows have short front teeth for snipping the grass. The teeth on the sides are large and flat for chewing the grass. Now look at the teeth of the cats. Cats have sharp teeth for tearing and cutting the meat. Once it catches hold of its prey, what it does it with its sharp teeth, it just holds and it will cut, and the animal is immediately done. Now the snakes have sharp curved teeth, but they do not chew their prey. Snakes always swallow their food whole. So though we find a number of teeth, the curved teeth, the snakes do not chew, they just swallow. Look at the first picture, you can see the curved teeth that are very sharp, and in the second picture you can see it swallowing another animal. Now here is the squirrel. Its front teeth, it seems, it will keep growing throughout their life. So what they do is they keep gnawing on things. Gnawing on things means they will be biting on the things. Why do they gnaw on it? To keep their teeth from becoming too long. If they leave it as it is, the teeth will become longer and it will be very uncomfortable for the squirrels. So the squirrel's front teeth keep growing throughout their life. They have to keep gnawing on things to keep their teeth